Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Damascus knives, renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship and unique patterns. Join us as we explore the intricate process of making these blades and uncover the reasons behind their premium price tags. The art of forging Damascus steel dates back centuries. Originating in the Middle East, this legendary technique involves creating blades with exceptional strength, sharpness, and distinctive patterns. Crafting a Damascus knife begins with a careful selection of high-quality materials. Master blacksmiths use 2 or more types of steel with different properties, combining them to achieve the desired characteristics in the final blade. The key to the mesmerizing patterns of Damascus steel lies in the layering process. The chosen steel pieces are stacked together and repeatedly heated, folded, and hammered. This process creates stunning wavy or water-like patterns unique to each blade. After the layering is complete, the blade undergoes a meticulous heat treatment process. This involves heating the steel to specific temperatures and quenching it in oil or water. The careful control of temperatures ensures the desired hardness and flexibility of the blade. Next comes the grinding and polishing phase, where the blade takes its final shape and sharpness. This step demands precision and skill to retain the stunning Damascus pattern while achieving optimal cutting performance. To emphasize the exquisite Damascus patterns, the blade is etched with acid or another suitable solution. The acid reacts with the different steel layers, accentuating the unique design. With the blade complete, attention turns to the handle. Artisans carefully select high-quality materials, such as wood, bone, or exquisite metals, to complement the beauty and balance of the Damascus blade. Before a Damascus knife is deemed ready for sale, rigorous quality assurance tests are conducted. The blade's sharpness, balance, and overall craftsmanship are thoroughly examined to ensure a top-tier product. If you're enjoying this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting episodes. Now, let's address the question of why Damascus knives come with a higher price tag compared to other blades. Masterful craftsmanship. The intricate layering and forging process requires exceptional skill and experience, often passed down through generations. High-quality materials, premium steel varieties, which contribute to the knife's performance and aesthetics, come at a higher cost. Time-consuming process. The labor-intensive techniques of forging and pattern revealing can take days or even weeks to complete a single knife. Uniqueness. Each Damascus knife possesses a one-of-a-kind pattern, making it a collector's item or a work of art. Superior performance. Damascus knives are renowned for their exceptional sharpness, durability, and edge retention, which adds to their value. And there you have it, the mesmerizing process of crafting a Damascus knife and the reasons behind its premium price. These extraordinary blades are not only functional tools, but also exquisite pieces of art, cherished by enthusiasts worldwide. If you feel like we've earned it, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. As always, we truly appreciate you taking the time to watch today's episode. We hope to catch you on the next one. Take care.